Usually Fix It Friday, we just do kind of like simple mending services, but for Tailor Tuesday, we're going like above and beyond and offering things like hemming and alterations, zipper repair, things like that that we don't normally provide at our normal Fix It Friday events.
Today we're doing full like jean hems. Today I fixed a zipper on a winter jacket. So we're just doing a lot of stuff that we aren't able to do at Fix It Friday. We're doing here at Tailor Tuesday.
We try to promote the message that you can mend your clothing and that you don't have to just throw it away if it has like a little tear in it or something, because oftentimes it ends up in landfills.
So our simple mending, tailoring services are helping bring sustainability back into our minds when we think about the fashion industry and how we can change it to make it better.
When we finish something and we hand it back to our customer, it's really awesome to see them be like, wow, like I haven't seen it look like this in so long, or like I can't even tell where the hole was, or like where you even repaired it. Like it makes them really happy that we just kind of gave life back into something that might have been like passed down from generations. A lot of the times it's like this quilt that was from like their great grandmother, and sometimes it's just something simple like their favorite backpack. So it's just important to keep the clothing alive.
When we can turn it around and say, yes, we can fix it, and we do, the looks on people's faces is just like you're giving them a brand new piece of clothing. So it's so rewarding to have this opportunity.
I do it because I really like to volunteer. I think it's really cool to watch a customer like bring in something that they love but is broken. So I like to see like their face, and like when I fix it, it's cool to like watch them bring joy to like what they love to wear.
So our next event's going to be March 30th at the Bloomington Public Library. So if anybody wants to bring more of those smaller fixes in, we'd be more than happy to fix it for you.